I'll be showing a recipe for the stuffed bangdas. This I learned from my mother-in-law. We will start with cleaning of bangdas. I have taken 5 bangdas over here, and the ingredients will be in proportion to the masala that we are making for stuffing these 5 bangdas. I have cleaned them properly and chopped the head portion and cleaned it from inside, so it looks like this. This recipe consists mainly of lots of garlic, so I have taken more of a garlic. Then there are 2 Kashmiri chilies, a small portion of tamarind, half teaspoon jeera, then about 5 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 2 small sticks of cinnamon. There's kothmeer here, then red chili powder, haldi powder, this is vinegar and salt. For this recipe, you have to select very hard bangdas or mackerels, because if the bangdas are soft, then making pockets to fill the masala will be little difficult, and you also need a very sharp knife. So I'll show you now how to make the pockets to fill the stuffing. Just give a cut and then move the knife from inside. Then turn the bangda, and same thing you have to do again. All the ingredients that I have told will go into the grinder together, and mostly I'll be using only vinegar to grind it and less of a water. Now these are the bangdas ready with the pockets, and this is a masala that I ground. The paste should not be very thin. It can remain thick. I have not used water at all in it. At this point you can check the salt and adjust it as per your requirement. Now we fill the pockets that we have made. Just take little of masala and go on filling it in the pocket. Then turn the bangda and fill the pocket which is on the other side. Do not overstuff it, otherwise when you fry it, all the masala will keep coming out. Our bangdas are ready for frying with stuffing inside. Here I have taken very thin rice flour and mixed little suji in it. Normally I use even little thin, thicker, coarse rice flour, but today I have taken thin rice flour mixed with little suji. Nicely coat the bangdas with the flour and then put it on the pan where the oil is getting slowly hot. Today I have used coconut oil for frying. but you can always choose the oil of your, take the oil of your choice. Now before turning the banglas on the other side, you can just keep them standing on the sides that we have filled the stuffing in. In this fashion. So that the masala which goes inside also gets nicely fried. And then sometime you can turn it on the other side. So here are our banglas ready to eat. Garnish with some onion rings and coriander leaves.